All trucks must enter using the Finning Road entrance at Quesnel River Pulp. All trucks hauling West Fraser Mill's quota wood must display a truck identification number. When driving on the scale deck platform, the speed limit is 5 km per hour. When driving in the Logyard, the speed limit is 20 km per hour. All personal protective equipment is to be worn at all times when the drivers are out of the truck in the Logyard. When exiting or entering the truck, use the 3-point grip, 2 hands, 1 foot. For safety reasons, all drivers must stay out of their trucks until the scaler has finished tagging the load and has stepped off the walkway. All trucks must weigh in and out. Truckers must sign their load slips after weighing out. No passengers will be allowed in the Logyard unless approved by Scales personnel. If you require first aid, contact Scales personnel or Logyard personnel for assistance. All wrappers must be removed at the dewrapping station. If the dewrapping station is not working, all loads must be restrained by a loader or high stacker before the wrappers can be removed. Approach the dewrapping station smoothly and slowly and under complete control. Pull in as close as possible to the dewrapping station to allow the protection forks to touch the load. Do a visual check to ensure the last driver has lifted up the protection forks before entering. Take your time exiting and entering your truck. Use the 3-point grip. Remember to wear all personal protective equipment when out of the truck. Lower the protection forks before you start to remove your wrappers. In some cases, the wrapper may get caught up in the load. If this happens, use a pike pole to free the wrapper. If there is debris on or around the platform, please remove it for the next driver. Make sure all protection forks are back up before you leave the dewrapping station. Drivers must remain in the truck when being unloaded, unless the operator asks for guidance to maneuver the grapple to safely lift the load. When the driver is out of the truck, eye contact and hand signals must be used. The driver must get back into the truck or stand in front of the truck in full view of the loader operator before the load is lifted off the truck. After being unloaded in the mill yard area, the truck must go to the scale yard to put down the stakes. This should be done prior to driving on the outbound scale deck. Procedures for pulling stakes down is to use a pike pole from the ground level. Climbing up on rigging is prohibited. After being unloaded in a yard other than the mill yard, the truck may pull out of the way and then put down the stakes before proceeding to the scale. The rated capacity for the trailer hoist is 10 tons. When operating the trailer hoist, if you notice any unusual sounds from the trailer winch, stop operating the hoist and report this to the scales personnel immediately. Use caution when using the trailer hoist, as this hoist has 2 speeds. Press softly to move the hoist slowly in low speed. Press harder to move the hoist faster in high speed. When attaching the hook to the lift cable, use the handle on the self-tipping hook. The bottom block must be still before lifting the trailer in high speed. When operating the trailer hoist, drivers are to stay behind the safety barrier at all times. Use a pike pole to control the trailer from swinging while lifting and lowering. If the hoist is damaged or controls are not working properly, inform scale personnel immediately. If you damage the hoist, inform scales personnel immediately. All accidents and near-miss situations anywhere in the log yard must be reported to the West Fraser Scales personnel or yard supervisor right away. At West Fraser, safety is a core value and a business priority. We are committed to maintaining a safe workplace and strive to be an industry leader by managing an effective safety program, complying with all laws and regulations, and continuously improving our performance. Please give every person you encounter in the log yard the same respect that you expect from them. Any person directly or indirectly involved with our operations can be assured that any abusive or disrespectful conduct will not be tolerated and will be dealt with immediately. West Fraser thanks you for watching this indoctrination video. If you have any questions about the video, please contact the log yard supervisor.